Most traders understand the weekly candle, but they still lose money. Why? Because they enter too early. They see the sweep, they see price hit the level, and they think that's the trade. But the real money is not in the sweep, it's in the confirmation after. Today I'm going to show you the one weekly candle confirmation most traders ignore. And once you understand this, your entries will become cleaner, your stop losses smaller, and your win rate much higher. Let's get into it. The biggest mistake traders make is confusing setup with entry. These are not the same thing. The weekly candle gives direction, but it does not give you the entry. This is where most traders fail. They see previous week high, price sweeps it, and they instantly short. Or they see previous week low, price taps it, and they instantly buy. That is gambling, not trading, because the sweep is only step one. The entry comes after confirmation. And if you skip that, you become liquidity. Every trade starts with one thing, the weekly candle. I mark previous week high, previous week low, and the major liquidity levels around price. Because smart money moves towards liquidity first, not your entry. Liquidity first, then reversal, then confirmation. That is the sequence. Most traders reverse that process. That is why they lose. They enter first and hope confirmation comes later. Professionals do the opposite. They wait because patience is the real edge. So what exactly are we waiting for? Simple. Failure and displacements. After the sweep, I want to see price fail to continue. I want to see rejection. I want displacement back into the weekly range. This is confirmation. This tells me smart money is done, taking liquidity, and now direction is changing. This is where CISD becomes powerful because CISD helps confirm that shift, not before, after. This is the 3-step model. Step number 1, mark weekly highs and lows. Step number 2, wait for the sweep and failure back into the range. And step number 3, enter on CISD break or fair value gap inversion. That is it. Simple, repeatable, high probability. And honestly, this is exactly why I built SMC X indicator, because manually tracking weekly highs, weekly lows, sweeps, CISD confirmations, and entry zones every day takes time. And most traders miss the best entries simply because they are late. SMC X helps mark those levels automatically, shows the sweeps in real time, and helps you focus on the confirmation, not the noise. It is built around this exact model. I will leave a link below, but let's keep going because timing the actual entry is where most people still get stuck. Now let me show you what this looks like on the chart. Here you can see price is pushing above the weekly high. Most traders enter right here. Too early. That is the trap. Instead, wait for price to fail. You want to see displacement back into the weekly range. That tells me the sweep is complete. Then you want to drop to the lower time frame, 5-minute or 15-minute, and wait for a CISD confirmation. That break and close of the CISD or the fair value gap inversion becomes the actual entry. Stop loss goes behind the sweep or just above the previous week's high. Take profit can be 1-to-1 for consistency or the next major daily or weekly liquidity target. This is how professionals trade. No prediction, confirmation. Remember this, the weekly candle gives direction, but confirmation gives permission. Never confuse the two. Most traders lose because they enter at the setup instead of waiting for the confirmation. That one mistake changes everything. And in the next video, I'm going to show you something even more important. The CISD trap most traders never see, and why even good traders still get faked into bad entries. That video will completely change how you use CISD. So make sure you subscribe. Check out the SMC X indicator below, and I will see you in the next video.